Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I love to have raised garden beds for my veggie garden, and I just love this 6-foot one that I got from Gartist. One of the best things about it is how easy it is to put together. Unlike other galvanized steel garden beds, this one is put together with butterfly nuts, and it makes it so much easier to put together, so much faster than having to attach a nut with a tool. You can just simply do this by hand. I found it's easiest to attach them and just finger tighten and then get everything put together and go back and tighten everything up real tight. This is really durable material. It's 1.2 millimeters thick, which is more than the average galvanized steel garden bed, and this is going to last a really long time. I love using galvanized steel because my wooden garden beds have started to deteriorate after just a couple of seasons, and I know that these ones I will be able to use for multiple years. I like to use a technique to fill my garden beds that doesn't require as much dirt. So I fill it with some cardboard at the bottom. This also helps to discourage grass growth or moles or other rodents getting into it. And then on top of that, I put leaves that I've cut from shrubbery or sticks or other things, and then I put the dirt on top of that. And then the sticks and shrubbery and the cardboard will break down and actually help to nourish my garden bed as time goes on. This is such a great garden bed. I'm just so happy to have it for this year's growing season, and that's my point of view.